In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Microsoft Forms in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or planning events, Microsoft Forms makes it easy and efficient to create surveys that meet your needs. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to navigate to Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to your preferred web browser and entering the Microsoft Forms URL. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the gateway to start creating your survey. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms website, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign in to proceed. It's essential to sign in with your Microsoft account to access all the features that Microsoft Forms offers. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause the video here and create one. It's straightforward and will be invaluable not just for Microsoft Forms but across Microsoft's suite of products. After clicking Sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll click on Next to proceed to the next step in the login process. Following that, you'll be asked for your password. Enter the password for your Microsoft account carefully. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock is off unless you specifically need it for your password. Once you've entered your password, click on Next. If your credentials are correct, you'll successfully log into Microsoft Forms. Then it's time to move to the dashboard where all the magic happens. To get to the Microsoft Forms dashboard, you might need to navigate through the Office 365 suite if you're not directly taken there. The dashboard is where you can create new forms and view the ones you've previously made. It's a clean, user-friendly interface, so don't worry about getting lost. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the survey form templates. Microsoft Forms provides a variety of templates to get you started quickly. These templates are designed to cater to different survey scenarios, saving you the time and effort of creating a survey from scratch. Now let's talk about customizing your survey. When you select a template, you'll see it comes with preset questions, but these are fully customizable. Click on a question to edit it. You can change the question text, answer format, and even the order of the questions. If you need to add new questions, look for the Add New option, usually represented by a plus symbol. This allows you to insert various types of questions such as multiple choice, open-ended text responses, ratings, or dates, providing flexibility in the kind of data you want to gather. One pro tip to make your survey more engaging is to use the branching option. Branching allows you to direct respondents to different questions based on their previous answers. This can help make your survey more relevant and less tedious for the respondents, increasing the chances that they'll complete it. Also, consider customizing the theme of your survey. A visually appealing survey can enhance the experience for your respondents. Microsoft Forms offers several themes to choose from, or you can create a custom theme by uploading your own image for the background. This can be particularly useful for maintaining brand consistency if you're creating surveys for your business. Lastly, review your survey. Make sure the questions are clear and that you've covered all the information you need. Once you're satisfied, share your survey. Microsoft Forms provides different options for sharing via link, QR code, email, or even embedding it on a website. Choose the method that best fits your audience. And there you have it. You've created a survey using Microsoft Forms. It's quick, easy, and the data you collect can be invaluable. Remember, the insights gained from surveys can help make informed decisions, whether it's for personal projects, educational purposes, or business strategies. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.